Just imagine the ground that you're standing on was the site of a decorative arts pavilion staged around the time of the opening of London Olympia in 1886. It was an era of world's fairs and the celebration of the technology and romance of the Industrial Revolution. That particular decade was also a spectacular one for British literature, a theme celebrated in the pavilion through the individualism of characters in the works of Lewis Carroll, Arthur Conan Doyle, Rudyard Kipling, and Oscar Wilde. Design Encounter is a restoration of that pavilion, but not in the way you might imagine. Once again, the spaces have been laid out as they were in 1886. Once again, 6 remarkable designers have created rooms for you to enjoy. But this time, you, our visitor, have a quest to find the secret garden of the literary character that shares a personality type with you. This will be revealed through the products, furniture, and finishes that you like. Whose world will it be? Carroll, Doyle, Kipling, or Wilde? Start the journey to find out, but most importantly, enjoy the interiors and tell us what you like.